2025 GMC Yukon XL. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?